Welcome to this gorgeous, stunning house in Ladysmith. Look at this gorgeous view right out on the mountains. Beautiful low maintenance garden. Ample space there for lawn for your four-legged children or your kids. Low maintenance, beautifully maintained clinker brick house. Lovely entrance. We step right into the farm style kitchen. Look at this gorgeously big, large kitchen. Beautiful cupboards. Look at this lovely, lovely cupboards. Nice backsplash. Plenty of space for appliances. And there's your inverter, battery system. It's an eat-in kitchen. Real stunning farm kitchen with a separate scullery, and the cook space is this side as well, in the separate scullery. Out of the kitchen down this passage with the most gorgeous tiles. Flooring looks brand new. Good quality carpets in the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Look at this beautiful little built-in little window seat. And of course, look at these beautiful views. The blinds are included in the sale. Gorgeous built-in cupboards. Look at these beautiful finishes. So you've got built-in, look at this, gorgeous racks. And then you have drawers as well. Beautiful built-in cupboards. Ceilings are in excellent condition. Look at that. Beautiful, nice, large rooms. So that was bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 is currently set up for a child's room. Beautiful window seat again. North facing, so you got the gorgeous views of the Langeberg. Beautiful built-in cupboards. Ample space. These rooms are really large, guys. Perfect condition. Look at the good quality carpets. And then here's your family bathroom. Look at this. Newly renovated a couple of years ago. Lovely corner shower. Water closet. Beautiful tiles and a lovely floating vanity. Down the passage. And here is your main bedroom. Look at this gorgeous refuge that for yourself and your loved one. Beautiful ensuite bathroom. South facing. Look at this beautiful walk-in shower. Floating vanity and a bath. So this is a absolutely full bathroom. Nice big size. Beautiful tiles. And here's the master bedroom. Little reading nook. And we walk straight into a walk-in closet. Look at this beautiful walk-in closet, guys. Look at this. We've got drawers here. Sets of drawers. Beautiful walk-in closet. Lovely views. Look at that mountain. Beautiful large bedroom. Lovely light fitting, new. Okay, now we're going to, I want to now show you something that is totally fantastic. And it's an added bonus to this house. Okay, here we are at the front door again. Here is the lounge. Look at this beautiful, lovely, light and airy lounge. Gorgeous tiles. Look at this unusual fireplace. I think this is the first time I've seen such an unusual fireplace. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice size. This is currently used as a storage area because obviously the people are moving, but this could be a dining room. It used to be their TV room. Same beautiful floor tiles. And this is south facing. Look at these lovely south facing views that you have. And here's a perfect little garden at the back for your children or your pets. Now here is the added bonus. We have a separate flatlet. So this flatlet gets blocked off totally from the living area. So you can either rent this out separately, separate entrance, separate garden, or you can open it up and it can be a mother-in-law suite or a suite for a young adult. So beautiful, lovely bedroom, south-facing. It's got built-in cupboards, brand new carpets on the floor, family bathroom. It's a bath with a shower in the bath, toilet, basin. This is your entrance. So here you've got a little foyer or a lounge. Here you've got your little lounge area for the flatlet. Beautiful northern views as well. And this is your east view where you can park your vehicles. There is a little garage next door, but it's totally separate. And look how nice and large it is. So this can help pay your bond, you know. And then you have a separate little kitchen here. It's basic, but it's everything that you require. And then from here we have the entrance going outside, where you have a separate entrance for the flatlet and parking for 2 cars undercover. I'm just going to take a little walk and show you this beautiful garden. But look at this gorgeous garden. It's low maintenance, which is exactly what you want when you are here. You want to be water wise, you know. And this garden is specifically done to be water wise. But look at the views, guys. You know, Ladysmith is all about views. I mean, you've got the mountain. This is north facing. So there we are, north facing. So you've got the mountain. That's west. Look at this is the house, modern, mid-century modern style. And the beauty of this property is it is low maintenance. And it is in such a good condition, you don't need to do anything to it. It's newly been painted out. It's absolutely perfect. And then there is your southern views. So let's show you a little bit more of the garden. An additional feature of this property, which is not on the video now, is it's got a staff bathroom, a water closet in actual fact, and there is staff accommodation, which is currently being used as a workshop, but it could easily be turned back into staff accommodation or an additional flatlet, should you wish to turn this into more accommodation. But you see on this side you've got a double garage as well. Now the staff accommodation is just behind the double garage, but it just gives you an idea of the ample size of this beautiful property. Double garage on this side, storage for a trailer or a caravan. There's a water storage at the back. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. And then this is the entrance obviously to the house. The flat has a separate entrance. Absolutely beautiful, not to be missed house in Ladysmith. Be sure to contact us to arrange a viewing.